In this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best compound bows in this year. I made this list based on products' features, online popularity, consumers' reviews, brand reputation, prices and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Bear Archery is one of the best compound bow manufacturers, and the Cruiser G2 is their flagship compound bow. The Cruiser G2 is your typical compound bow in looks, but that's part of why it's a classic and such a good value. The Cruiser G2 is a versatile bow. It can be adjusted for draw lengths from 12 inches to 30 inches, and for draw weights from 5 pounds to 70 pounds. This makes it great for beginners and experienced hunters alike. It's especially great for beginners who will turn into hunters. Plus, unlike some compound bows, you can adjust the Cruiser G2 with an Allen wrench. You don't need to pay for a bow press. The Endurafiber limbs and twin cams give you a smooth draw, with 70% let-off. The Cruiser G2 comes with 6 accessories made by Trophy Ridge. A 4-pin sight, whisker biscuit arrow rest, 5-arrow quiver, stabilizer with sling, peep sight, and knock loop. All this, and the bow weighs only 3 pounds, so you can hunt all day without discomfort. Southland Archery's Rage is the right choice for those shooters who want to develop their talent without spending a fortune. The durability and high quality of this compound bow make it the perfect gear for harnessing your archery skills. Don't let its price fool you. In our opinion, it gives you way more than you would expect from an entry-level bow. The materials used for this bow are of a great quality, and it accepts all standard parts and upgrades. Speaking of upgrades, the bow sight and arrow rest that come with this bow could be better. And you may consider purchasing an archery upgrade kit in the future, but for this price you can't really complain. This bow is an excellent bargain and, while it may not be a PSE or Martin bow, it offers a good overall experience for those on a budget. If you can't spend more, don't give it a second thought. Made by an American brand with an excellent reputation, the Raptor Compound Kit is everything you would expect in a complete kit and more. All the components it uses are made in the US, and just a look at all the benefits offered will tell you this is the right compound bow for you. With adjustable draw length and weight, it is the type of compound bow that will adjust to your needs and capabilities as a shooter. Also, because you get all the needed accessories in the same package, there is no need for you to spend extra after purchasing this kit. You will get a 5-pin sight that comes with light and level for additional accuracy, a whisker biscuit style rest, as well as a stabilizer. The peep sight is pre-installed on the bow, so there's no need for complicated assembly. The only things that remain for you to purchase are the arrows. You are set for a new adventure. Whether you want to use this compound bow for hunting, fishing, or just practice, you will find that it covers all the bases and, even more, it can assist you in honing your skills, since it comes along with all these handy accessories. 75% of the weight is let off, which means that you need to use less strength than usual to draw the weight. This aspect makes it a versatile option for people who want to share the bow with other members of the family. You can hardly find a compound bow that is as versatile as the model we review here. Created to adapt to the needs and wants of any shooter, regardless of skill level and age, the Bear Archery Cruiser G2 is the kind of compound bow that you cannot go wrong with. It can be used for hunting, which is always an incredible plus, and it also comes with excellent accessories that will make any hunter's life easier. Its fantastic adjustability is, however, the #1 reason why this compound bow receives so many positive reviews. Whether you want to purchase it for an adult or for a teenager who wants to take up archery, you will encounter no troubles if you choose this bow from the many models available. Compared to other models on the market, it is lightweight. Weighing just 3 pounds, this bow does more than what it seems it can do. The maximum velocity is 315 feet per second, so superior performance is expected. Another great thing that you will probably love about it is that you do not have to use a bow press to change the draw press. An Allen wrench is all you need to adjust your bow. Excellent balance contributes to the high performance of this bow, and the entire construction adds to the overall appeal. Adaptable to the shooter, it will not require you to struggle to get in touch with your hunting weapon. For this reason, you will inevitably fall in love with it and decide to use it for years to come.